Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Piano Man on Tremolo Harmonica. First, let's get comfortable with your instrument. Hold your C major tremolo harmonica gently with both hands, ensuring a good seal. Focus on the middle section, usually holes 4 through 7, as these are often the easiest to control. Remember, blowing into the harmonica gives you C, E, and G notes, while drawing air in produces D, F, A, and B notes. This fundamental understanding is key to mastering the melody. Now let's tackle the iconic verse melody. Begin by blowing into hole 4 to get your first C note. This sets the stage for the song. Next, draw air through hole 4 to play a D, then immediately blow into hole 5 for an E. Follow this by drawing on hole 5 for an F, and then blowing into hole 6 to hit a G. Practice these first few notes slowly to ensure clarity and a smooth transition between them. Continuing the verse, after the G on hole 6, draw on hole 5 for an F, then blow on hole 5 for an E. Next, draw on hole 4 for a D, and finally, blow on hole 4 again to return to C, completing the main verse phrase. For the start of the chorus, shift to blowing on hole 6 for a G, then blow on hole 4 for a C. This transition brings a new energy to the song. To finish the chorus, after the C on hole 4, blow into hole 5 for an E, and then blow into hole 6 for a G. Repeat this entire chorus phrase several times, concentrating on making each note clear and holding them for the correct duration. Remember, consistent practice is crucial. Pay close attention to the song's rhythm and dynamics. This will add depth and emotion to your performance, truly bringing Piano Man to life on your tremolo harmonica.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.